Hi, welcome to my luxury beauty channel, Sharvonique Renee. I'm Renee and today's video is inspired by Pam Jordan. Pam is a fragrance content creator here on YouTube and I really enjoy watching her videos. She tagged me in one of her recent videos in support of Childhood Cancer Awareness Month for the month of September. Childhood cancer awareness is symbolized with the gold ribbon. So Pam's video features some of her favorite gold bottle fragrances. I'll have a link to the original video in the description. So to show my support, I will be featuring a gold bottle fragrance. This is Ruby Rain by House of Sillage. I am so excited for Ruby Rain because it is supposed to be the sister fragrance of Emerald Rain, which I have right here. Emerald Rain is, I love this fragrance. It's one of my top 3 signature fragrances from the House of Sillage. So when Ruby Rain was announced, I just knew I was going to get it. I'm really hoping that Ruby Rain will be like a rosier version of Emerald Rain. So this is the box. I love the design. Yes, Series 2. It has 20% perfume oil. Oh, look at that. Even though I have seen pictures of this bottle, just when you see it in person, it's just a whole different experience. As usual, the House of Sillage fragrances includes a cleaning cloth and this card for Ruby Rain showing that it's limited edition. And this is different from the standard House of Sillage boxes in that the inside is red in color and this is lined with a red velvet. Now let's talk about this bottle. The cap is plated with 18 karat yellow gold with 100 hand-placed diamond-cut Swarovski crystals. The bottle is hand-polished French glass and it's made in France. It contains 75 milliliters of fragrance. The limited edition version of Emerald Rain is depicted with a Siberian tiger. Oh, I wish I could get that bottle, but I don't think it's no longer available. Ruby Rain is inspired by the Bengal tiger. The cap depicts the face of the Bengal tiger in gold geometric shapes and ruby eyes. The design represents good fortune and courage to all. There is the name of Ruby Rain on the bottle along with some information. And you can see the name Ruby Rain and House of Sillage. Under the cap, also the name with Series 2. Let's spray it. I do like the smell of the initial spray. The top notes are bergamot, cedar leaves, rose, and saffron. I do think I'm picking up the rose scent on my skin. There's some other, I'm not able to make out the other notes that were mentioned. Overall, how would I describe this? It's like a sweet grassy kind of scent. I'm waiting for it to begin to transition into the heart notes. The heart notes are Agarwood, Gaiacwood, orange blossom, and suede. The base notes are amber, musk, cedarwood, incense, patchouli, and tonka bean. Ruby Rain is limited edition. It costs $395. I got it on sale for 40% off. I will add Pam's House of Sillage affiliate code in the description so that you could use her link to make the purchase. The heart notes are starting to kick in. It definitely has a more woody scent to it. I would have to say overall, it seems like I'm picking up mostly like, it's like an earthy scent. That's how I would describe it. It's a nice scent. Compared to Emerald Rain, this one I still just love. To me, Emerald Rain is warmer, more exotic, sweeter, very, very sophisticated. Like I said, for me, Ruby Rain is still a nice fragrance, but I definitely would pick Emerald Rain if I was forced to choose between the two. If you like more earthy, woody, grassy scents, definitely then pick Ruby Rain. Before I close out the video, I want to share 2 gift with purchases that I received with my order. I ordered some lipstick items along with Ruby Rain, but I'm going to show that in a separate video along with other House of Sillage lipstick items that I got in separate hauls. This is Whispers of Enlightenment. It is so pretty. And this one is Whispers of Strength. I don't have either one of these, so I am really looking forward to trying them out. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe, ring the notification bell so that you know when a new video uploads. Thank you, Pam, for tagging me to support such a powerful cause. Pam has created a nonprofit fund to support pediatric cancer research. The fund also honors the memory of her son, Christian, who she lost in 2016. I will have a link to donate to the fund in the description. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.